In this video, I will show you how to redeem a Steam code, and if this video does help you out today, please consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like on the video, and also consider subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. With that being said, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So as you can see, I'm currently here on my desktop and I've got the Steam app opened, as you can see. So to do this, I'm going to show you how to do it on the Steam app first of all, and then I'll show you how to do it on a web browser if you do prefer to use the web-based version of Steam. So to do it using the app, as you can see, I've got this open. Now if you look at the top, you've got some options at the very top. So it says like Steam, View, Friends, Games and Help. And what you want to do is click onto the one that says games. Now this is going to bring up some options, and what you want to do, it depends on what kind of code that you have to redeem. If you have a code, for example, for like a game or a product on Steam, what you want to do is click on this product here, click onto this link, which is to activate a product on Steam. If however it's for like a gift card, so say it's like a Steam gift cards, then what you want to do is click the redeem a Steam wallet code. So what I'm going to do is just click onto one of these like so, and then it's going to bring up a window that says product activation. Next, all you want to do is simply click onto next, and then you just want to read through and agree to the subscriber agreement like so. Go ahead and click I agree, and you will then be asked to enter your code. So it does give an example of certain formats which your code will probably look like, as you can see down here. So what you want to do is make sure you enter it in the correct format as it's displayed down here, and then click next to redeem that code. Now what's going to happen if it's for a product, what it's going to do is start downloading and installing that straight away. So after you've entered the code, if you just click onto your library, you're going to see the game in the left hand corner on your menu. So your menu of games here, and what you can do is click onto the game, and if it's not already started installing it, there should be an install button, so you can go ahead, click that to install. And of course, once that's finished installing, that's going to change to play. So what you can then do is click the green play button to begin playing that game. So to do this on a web browser, what you're going to want to do is actually open up a new browser, and you can see I'm on the page directly. Now the easiest way to do this is to actually just type the page in manually. So if you look here in the top left hand corner at the top of the URL, you just want to come across to this address, which is store.steampowered.com. Then you want to put a /, then account, then another /, and then register key. And again, it's the same sort of process. You just want to put your product code into here, tick to agree to the terms of the Steam subscriber agreement, and then go ahead, click continue, and just go through to redeem your code. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to drop down below the video, leave a like on the video, and also consider subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.